what are the things which should be discussed between the partners in order to have a great sexual life?
I think that one of the best things is to actually spend a lot of time understanding what gives each other pleasure. It's like a formula: kissing, foreplay, penetration. Maybe don't use that formula. Maybe just try foreplay for longer. Maybe just try experimenting for longer. Understand how your body works and then guide your partner on how your body works. Because जितना pleasure आपको ज़्यादा मिलेगा, उतना आप भी ज़्यादा करना चाहेंगे.
When is the right time to have this conversation?
I personally think that it's a conversation you should be having with yourself first.
Yeah.
And when
know
you
yourself first and your desires first.
understand what kind of touch you like, where you like to be touched, how you don't like to be touched. All that. If you don't know it, they do. And some of it obviously discover together, because that's also amazing to discover it together. But this should be a conversation right from the start. The moment you start being physically together, this should be something that you're doing. The experimenting, the exploring you should be doing right from the start.
So learn yourself, learn about your body, and learn each other.
Learn each other. Actually explore each other. And don't be shy about, oh, how can I do this? Unfortunately, there's a lot of stigma. Agar, particularly in a new relationship in certain parts of our society, if the woman wants to explore, the guy thinks ke isne to pehle kiya hua hai. You know, so there's a lot of stigma to it as well.
So how to kind of give a space to your partner to have this honest communication and make them feel comfortable talking about it?
Men just have to realize कि अगर आप चाहते हो कि आपकी पार्टनर आपके साथ ये रिलेशनशिप बढ़ाए, you have to give her that space to be able to do it. And this is something that has to come from men directly. Unfortunately, a lot of guys, when they talk to other guys, this is the stereotype that they build. कि अरे उसने तो ऐसे किया. You know, that has to stop from there.
The onus is on them to make her feel comfortable talking about it. Now let's talk about female body and pleasure. What women should know about themselves, because for a very long time, and as we were discussing, the society has not given enough space and that kind of comfort to women to know their body well. Why female pleasure is still so misunderstood?
It's about control. If you can put more control on somebody, if you can put more shame on somebody, you can control them more easily. This is how it was decided. It's a very patriarchal narrative. जितना आप shame, stigma, taboo लगाओगे, उतना आप control ज़्यादा आसानी से कर सकते हैं. And even now, half of society thinks कि अगर औरत को अपने pleasure के बारे में पता है, वो खराब औरत है. अगर वो बात करती है इस पे, वो तो ऐसी है, you know. So this is a mindset, unfortunately, that we have to get rid of. But how much work I do on it, I can tell you. A lot of people listen. ऐसा नहीं है कि nobody is listening, but still the larger population is still मुझे गालियाँ देने आ जाते हैं. It's just horrible. आके they're giving you threats. The kind of abuse is
My God.
And young boys. And the thing is that most guys like that kind of woman. They want the independent woman. They want the one who can chat to them, who can be independent, who earns, who's funny, who can make love to them really nicely. They'll go out with that kind of person. And then they'll be like, नहीं, अब शादी के लिए तो हम बहुत प्योर लड़की से ऐसे शादी करेंगे जो मेरे बच्चों की माँ बनेगी. और then they have a terrible relationship. Most of them are like, oh, I can't have sex with her. Now I'm going to have an affair. It's just such a vicious cycle.
Since you are into this space, you think the society is getting better or is it getting worse?
I'm sure it's getting better somewhere, but I'll tell you what now, because of social media, you hear a lot of the nonsense that you wouldn't otherwise. And so you see a lot of the crap that you didn't see earlier. Where would you otherwise have heard the way that these people thought? We wouldn't have. So now you actually get to hear it, and that's what makes me feel like, is there even hope for us?
And I guess most of these men who call such names are losers in their real life.
Totally.
that's the space where they feel they can just say anything they want to and nobody's going to come back.
Yeah.
They try to be the hero there and
Yeah.
put their
For a
stupid
lot
opinions.
of them, this is also their way of masturbation to abuse. Because, like you said, they're losers. उनके साथ कोई औरत बात करने को तैयार नहीं है real life में.
Exactly.
So they've realized कि इधर ये real women हैं जो बात कर रही हैं, let's say comment में हैं या जो भी. They can see it's a real woman. And they've realized कि अगर वो गाली दें उसको, women will come back and fight.
Yeah.
They will come back and say, how dare you? So जितना ज़्यादा वो गंदगी उगलें इधर, उतने ज़्यादा women are coming back to tell them off. ये इनका masturbation बन जाता है, real women. So this is, I mean, it's scary to think that abuse becomes what turns them on.
My God. They're seeking for attention.
They're seeking attention and arousal because, yeah, this is where the actual women are in conversation. Even if that woman is saying whatever to you, asli औरत तो है.
What will it take to normalize everything?
Miracles.
I think we need
a lot of education. A lot of
of
education.
and we need more Seemas. Because the more we talk about it, sooner it will get normalized and कितना ही बोलेंगे, कब तक ही बोलेंगे.
Look at the mindset. Somebody wrote to me the other day saying, but if we normalize sex, that means that cheating will be normalized.
Why? These are two different things.
I know. But this is the mindset that I'm working with.
In fact, I feel it's otherwise.
I know.
The more we'll talk about it, people will get okay with it and they will not want to cheat.
I agree. But this is what we're working with.
Oh my God. It's a long journey that you have to cover. Thank you so much for watching this clip, and I'm sure that you're going to enjoy the entire conversation even more. Link of full podcast is in the description below.